Hi, my name is Mark, and I am a CEO of a small company. And this year, we faced lots of challenges for coronavirus and health issues in general. When I found out about ThermoEyes, about the desktop tablet camera, I immediately knew it was a good investment for our company, for our clients, and also our customers. This right here is the desktop tablet camera, ThermoEyes unit, and I'm going to assemble it for you right now. You need a Phillips number 2 screwdriver. Everybody's got one at home. So this plate comes right off. Inside the base, you'll see some wires, 3 wires particularly. One is the power cord, one is the LAN, and the other is the USB for data communication. When you pull out the actual tablet, you have lots of wires to choose from, but only 3 you have to pay attention to. Again, one is the yellow USB, the other one is the power, and the other one is the LAN for data communication. So all we have to do is put these wires through the hole. Take that back. You have to make sure you unscrew this washer from this wonderful ThermoEyes tablet unit. All these wires have to come out because this is the only way you can secure the 2 pieces together. Now, you take all these wires and you fish them right through the hole. Putting them through one at a time is best. Now, there are 3 sides to the base. There's the port side, the light side, and then the empty side. You want to make sure that the light side is facing forward. Okay. Now, carefully, you have to fish all the wires through this ring washer again. So as you can see here, we just have to screw in and hand tighten this ring washer to the base. Make any adjustments necessary to make sure the tablet is facing forward, which is the blue light side, and hand tighten one last time. Okay, now we're not done yet. We have some connections to be made. First, I'd like to look at the yellow USB and right here. Okay, then you have the LAN communication connection, which almost looks like a phone wire. It's used for data communication. You connect those 2. And then finally, you have the power. The power is circular. Just like that. Once you have those 3 connections made, you put everything nice and neatly into the base so that you can attach the bottom again. Now the base does have an inside and an outside. You'll see the holes are slightly recessed, so that means those go on the outside. The power cable that's included into the box simply gets plugged into the power port, and you notice immediately the light turns on. Now we wait for the whole unit, the ThermoEyes desktop tablet, to power up. The way you access the system is with a mouse, and you simply plug in any kind of mouse with a USB right into the base unit. And the screensaver is on right now. And what you want to do is 2 right clicks gets you to the access to how you connect to the Wi-Fi. So when you do 2 right clicks, up comes a password screen. And so all you have to do is input the password that came with the box in the user manual. For me, it happens to be 121212. And now you get brought up to the main home screen. You go down to the gear icon, which is the universal icon for settings, and then you're able to connect to Wi-Fi. And we've already connected to Wi-Fi here. And that's how you would actually connect to Wi-Fi, so that you can have real-time application status on your cell phone. Using the right click again to back out. On this screen, all you have to do is don't touch anything for 30 seconds and it times out back to the camera for normal operation. Now that we've set up your Wi-Fi, we can go ahead and do more custom settings. And instead of the right click, you want to find the mouse button wheel and press the button wheel just once. And up comes another password screen where you enter your password. Again, for me, it's 121212. And in this menu screen, you get to customize so much. Throughout the settings, you can actually add names to faces so that you can actually track your employees when they're coming in, or you can take the faces feature off and just do timestamps for, let's say you want to count the amount of customers that are coming in through your shop or not. You're able to go in through login management, application settings, face data entry, application information, pass record, and face database. What we've done actually is we've changed the pass temperature from 37.2 from a high fever to just a low 35, just so that we can trigger a high temperature setting. So let me show you what that looks like here. No entry. Temperature. My temperature read above the actual high temperature setting, so there was an alarm triggered. And if you have your application set up for real-time status, you would also get a notification on your cell phone. If your office setting happens to be a very quiet or very loud setting, you can customize the volume control so that it can be very loud, let's say if you're in an airport, or very quiet, like in a quiet, let's say, spa office building. There are so many more functions and features to this ThermoEyes desktop tablet unit that I haven't even begun to scratch the surface in. If you want to find out more, you can go to ThermoEyes.com. And if this product doesn't suit your needs, I'm sure they have other products that will suit your needs as well. So go to their website and check it out. For me, this product is perfect for our company. Thank you.